Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to play the song Echo by Elevation Worship. I'm gonna play very simple, slow. Let me mention that this song has only 4 chords. It changed a little bit, but they are the same in the whole song. I'm gonna start with the intro. I'm gonna do it very slowly, very simple, which is it go like this. G on the left, and then D. Okay, I'm gonna repeat that part one more time. The intro, it go like this. A in the bass, B in the left, G in the left, and then you hit this in D. And then it comes the verse. This is the verse part. A, B minor, G, and D. The same thing. G, you can play like this, and then the pre-chord part. In my mind, not good enough. Same thing. G, you stay in G. And then the choir part. Na 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 na. It's the same thing. Na 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 na. You can play like this. Same thing. G and D and G, B minor. You stay in G. And you going to the back to the verse, the whole thing, the same thing. We are in the verse. Pre-choir. Na, na, na. But you can play like this. And you stop here. 1, 2, and then you go back to the choir part. The same thing. Repeat that part, which is B, G, one more time G, and then in this part the whole band stop and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, and here comes the band, full band. And then it comes the choir. Attention to this part. And there's a breakdown here. Everybody do the same thing. You go like this. 1, 2, 3, and then you go. Let me explain that part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 5. You go to the choir. Okay, you repeat the same thing. The last time. And then, watch this. This is the ending. You go like this. So you go like, or you can play like this. Pam 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 do 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 do. This song is like a mix in between rock and R&B gospel. He had a R&B feel, and dun 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 dun. Okay. So the intro it go like this. Let me repeat that part. It go like this. Pardon. So I'm sorry. Okay, and then the breakdown it go like this. Pam 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 pam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and the ending it go like this. Okay, let me do it slowly. So like I say, this song has only 4 chords, which is A, B minor, you can play like this, G, and D major. I want to repeat that. A major, B minor, you can play it like this, with this inversion, and this too. You have G and D. Now let me say this. If you're playing here, you go here, and then you go to this inversion, and then you go to this D inversion. Why? Because you cannot jumping like this. It's not okay. This is not okay. So you go, and you go G, which this, and then you go D. So you don't have to move the hand over here, from here, like this. Okay, well that's the whole song. So subscribe, hit the like button. I hope you enjoy. Blessing to all. Thanks.